Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It is your girl Tamika. Today we are going to talk about how much Google AdSense paid me. I got my first paycheck, yay, on May 21st. We're going to talk about when I got monetized, when I first got my 1,000 subscribers, and I just want to give you some good little tips on what not to do. But first, drop down in the comment section below. Let me know if you want more videos like this. I have some do's and don'ts. I have some trending topics that you may want to talk about. If you're first starting off your content creation and you don't know what type of content to create, I can give you a list of that. I can give you a list of what equipment that you need. A lot of times you don't really need anything, but if you are willing to invest with your own money, then I have some tips for you on that. So make sure you drop it down in the comment section below, because girl, my YouTube journey was a long journey, okay? And I am willing to share that and create a playlist like that for you, but let your girl know so I can make a video about it. But if not, I'll just go ahead and make it anyway. Alright, the requirements that you need in order to be monetized by YouTube. First, you need to understand that Google and YouTube are brothers and sisters. They are like twins, okay? They work together. Google AdSense is what pays you. You create your videos, long form or short content on YouTube platform, okay? How long did it take me to get monetized? It took me way too long. And I don't want you to take that long. There are a lot of people who got monetized within 6 months. It took me 2017, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 8 whole years for me to get monetized. Yes, there was some inconsistency of putting out my content. If you go on my channel, you will see that I joined YouTube on 2013. I knew nothing about creating content. All I was doing was looking at Jillian Michaels and Fitness Blender lose weight. You know, I just had a baby in 2012. I didn't put out my first content until 2017. That was natural hair. Then I transitioned over to weight loss, doing the keto and intermittent fasting, doing some trending videos, reaction videos at that, with Mr. London and Grow with Joe. Then the list goes on. Trending videos such as like coffee and lemon diet. I've also made a shorts about me transitioning from from natural to relaxed. I put a trending song which was by Tim's, and I got around 70,000 views. The coffee and lemon, I think I got around 50 or 60,000 views. But you don't get paid for none of that at all. Google is not going to pay you for those old videos. So this is why I say don't waste 8 years like I did, because those videos that I made in the past, I could have made a lot of money off of it, but I won't know what it's like until I recreate more videos like that or similar to that, where I can get almost 100,000 views and reap the benefits or get to experience that type of revenue off of those amount of views. Now, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours. I didn't get my 1,000 subscribers until July of 2023. Yes, it took that long. Inconsistent, just putting out one video a week. I took about a year off around there, and yeah, girl, it was crazy. So 2020 was when mid 2020 was when I started putting out a video every week. If I was putting out more, I believe I could have gotten monetized a whole lot faster. So because I had got 1,000 subscribers, I was able to open up some features. You can see that on your YouTube Studio app. You can look it up on your phone. You get access to earnings as far as like super chat, stickers, all of that, but you will not be monetized until you hit that 4,000 watch time hours through your long form content or you can get monetized through shorts, but it's like 10 million views that you have to get in order. So whichever one comes first, the long form or the short form, mine came with the long form, so I was able to get monetized finally March 4th. I did put out trending videos, and kudos and thank you to Risa Tisa, because baby, you helped me get my last few watch time hours because of your 50 chapters. All I needed to put out was 10, and I got it just like that. So March 4th was when I got monetized. I was able to apply for the program. It only took me about a couple of days, and then I was easily accepted. On March 6th was when I first saw my 50 cents, where I was able to see exactly how much money I am making. And then just to watch it gradually go up and up and up was a joy to watch. But you will not receive a paycheck, which I didn't receive a paycheck on March 21st because I got monetized March 4th. So you get paid from the previous month. So March 21st is from payment of February. I wasn't monetized then. So let's see how much I made, because what they do is they hold your money and it just sits there until you reach your $100 threshold. So I'm going to go into my YouTube Studio app, go into my dashboard. I'm going to click on estimate revenue. You will not be able to see that until you are actually monetized. When you do become eligible for monetization, you have to make sure you go to your old videos and start and turn on the monetization sign so that you can get paid. Okay, there is a thing called mid-rolls, so make sure that your content is at least 9 minutes or more, because that way you can manually place your ads, as many ads that you want within one video. I wouldn't go too crazy. I usually place around 4 to 5. But if I make like a 8-minute content, then I'll just do maybe 3, because if you don't manually put in your ads, you'll get an ad in the beginning and an ad at the end, and most people don't watch your videos to the end. So you want to put mid-rolls manually. Put at least 3 or 4 in there before you get to the end, because like I said, a lot of people don't watch your videos, all right, all the way to the end. So how much did I make? Anyways, so for March, I made $42.66. So because I did not make the $100 threshold in time, I think the cutoff is around the 9th or 10th. I'm not exactly sure. I have to look at it again in order for me to know that. But if you do know and you're monetized, put it down in the comment section for your girls so you can help the community out who may want to know. So, and then anyways, you get paid from the previous month. So March is from February's content. Okay, so what they did was they put that in a hold for me. So then in April, I made $65.72. So I made my $100 threshold on April 28th. Around May 1st week or the 2nd week, they told me, no, I saw $160 or $180, and then the next day it dropped down to $108, and I was like, what in the world just happened? Where is my $180 something dollars? You have to remember, YouTube want their money. So they're going to take 40% of your earnings. So whatever that was that I originally had, and then it dropped down to $108.39. That is what was paid to me on May 21st. I was able to have that sent to my bank account. I did not want my check being mailed to me, even though I did an address verification. I didn't want to do all that. I want it sent to my account, which was a struggle trying to get it sent to my account. I had to get Google to help me. I had to report some issues that I was having, and they was able to to reset it, and then I was able to add my account information. I do make a separate account if I have not already said that, because it's like my 4th time recording this. But I have a separate account where my Google payments goes in and it does not get touched at all, because a lot of people are not making tax videos, or I have not seen it. And I am not trying to get caught up by the big people at the end of the year when it's tax season. So if I do owe something, I at least want to be able to have the money there for it, okay? So make sure you are putting away, pay yourself, and then put the rest away to pay at the end of the year. But because it's only $108.39, that's still something. That is still a blessing. I am grateful for that. But I'm just going to let that money sit in that account so no other money gets added to it but YouTube money, okay? So that's why I want it separate from my regular 9-to-5 direct deposit that I have in another account. I want it separate from my savings account, from my other checking account. Like, I want it all separate. Okay. So that means any equipment that I buy, if I want to invest it back into my business, I can go into my YouTube money bank account and use that money. I also have bought like a camera and a few other equipments this year while being monetized. I keep those receipts, especially if you get it off of Amazon. That's a receipt, so that should be a deductible, right? If I'm not mistaken, because it's pouring back into your business. So if you are monetized and you have went through this whole tax end of year tax thing, if you don't mind sharing your experience without going too much in detail, you know, giving too much away, but just enough for that we can be able to understand, make sure you drop it down in the comment section below and help your girl out and the community out. I would greatly appreciate it, because there are going to be a lot of new people just randomly watching this video, so they may want or may be interested in knowing what's going on, because you're not, again, trying to get caught up like other people that are not paying their taxes at the end of the year. We don't do that. We're doing good business, okay? Alright, so currently, oh, my battery's running low. Alright, so currently I am at $53.17. So in order for me to get paid by June 21st, I have to make $100. So you have to continuously make $100 every month in order for you to receive some form of payment. If you make below that, you will not receive a payment, and you will have to wait till the next following month. So I just wanted to share that with you. Just don't waste too much time if you really want to take it seriously, because girl, those views that I got, that was almost 100,000 views. I won't even know what that feels like to make money off of it until I recreate similar videos like that, or something that is trending. Just know that the date that you got monetized going forward is when you will start making money. That starts over. So it's kind of like starting all over again. So for me to waste 8 years and then now it's like I got to redo it all over again, girl, that's a lot. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and end this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more content like this. I also do lifestyle, natural hair, and weight loss on the Zepbound injection. So just let me know, or just go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a video. Thank you, and have a great night and safe weekend. Goodbye, gorgeous.